So I just talked about how stimulant meds can improve the brain structure of adults with ADHD, but can non-stims? Okay, here's the thing. Honestly, we don't have a lot of research on the brain and non-stimulant medication for ADHD. But back in 2015, we had a randomized placebo-controlled trial that gave us something really interesting. So the researchers looked at the adults who had not taken medication before. Then they scanned all of their brains and then gave half of them a placebo and then half of them atomoxetine, which is Strattera. And what they found was amazing. So before treatment, the ADHD group had weaker connectivity in the regions of the brain that handle focus, task switching, emotional regulation, and then also attention control. But then 8 weeks on Strattera, those networks started syncing up. So basically, yeah, non-stimulant medication taken as adult can also help your brain rewire. Stay if you want to nerd out and dive just a little bit deeper into what all this was, but I just want to say if you are not following me, follow me to stay on top of ADHD nutrition research. Okay, so the biggest change they saw was in the default mode network. Now, this is supposed to quiet down when we're focusing, but in ADHD, they saw that it stayed more overactive, making it harder to stay on task. So atomoxetine specifically regulated that. They also saw changes in areas like the fusiform gyrates, the parahippocampal region, and the dorsal and ventricle attention networks. And those are all key for managing attention, memory, and filtering distractions. And while atomoxetine mainly affects norepinephrine, there is some evidence that it can influence the serotonin systems too, which could explain some of those broader effects.